Hello, today we are going to know more about Fault Annunciator. Multispan FA11 Fault Annunciator. It is used to detect industrial faults which are normally an electrical signal coming from the industries. Now, FA11 comes with 10 false input and 3 output relays: audio alarm, visual alarm and machine trip. Now, to connect FA11 to define the fault, FA11 is connected to a PC via RS-232 communication protocol. Now, to define a fault in FA11, FA11 is connected to a PC using RS-232 communication. Install a software called Terminal. Press the connect button in the software. Then there is a pop-up menu coming up where you can define all the faults using M1, M2, M3, etc. Now let us understand about faults that occur in the electrical background. Now let us understand the types of fault detected in FA11. Now fault are of two types. Soft fault are under or over voltage error, and hard fault are like overcurrent or temperature high in motor. Now when a fault is occurred, it is a soft fault. It takes about 5 minutes to solve that fault, or else if the fault is not solved within 5 minutes, the fault is converted into hard fault. Now, to set date and time in FA11, press set key for 1 second and you will see date and time display on the screen, where you have to press the accept key and up key at the same time to set the time and date. Then press set key and you are back to the main screen. Now in FA11, after defining the faults, the output are mainly normally open or normally close, where normally open means whenever the fault is occurred, the terminals will be open, and normally closed means whenever the fault occurs, the terminals are closed or short. Now you can set the fault to NO or NC, and to select the same, you have to press the set key for 4 seconds and you will see a password option. Enter password 25 using the up key, then press set key to enter the menu. Now you can see in the display fault selection, where you can select NO or NC. Again press the set key so that you are returned to the main screen. Now in FA11 there are maximum of 10 faults, and you can select how many faults you want to display on screen. Now to do so, press set key for 4 seconds, enter the password 50, then press set key again. Now the display is showing the fault number to be displayed. You can set as many as fault you want. After setting it, press set key again and you will be redirected to the main screen. Now let us see example of soft fault. Low voltage is a soft fault. When it is detected, you can see the visual alarm relay is indicated. It keeps blinking between time. It will stay in blinking condition till 5 minutes until it has been solved. Now, if it is not solved, then soft fault is converted into hard fault. Now, if the soft fault is solved before 5 minutes, you can see in the display a tick mark which indicates that the soft fault has been solved, and the visual alarm relay is now off. Now press accept key, where the display will show a reset option. Now press reset button, then the instrument will be directed to the main screen again. Now let us see example of hard fault. Here motor temperature high is defined as an hard fault. Now when a hard fault is detected, audio alarm and machine trip alarm is continuously in on state and visual alarm keeps on blinking. When the hard fault is solved, the display will show a tick mark, which means the fault has been resolved. Now press the accept key to switch off the relay indication and press reset key to go back to the main screen. Now how to check the history of fault occurred? To check the history of fault that have occurred in the past, press accept and enter key together for 5 seconds. Now you can see on screen the details of the history of fault that have occurred in the past. You can see the number of fault and number of time the fault have occurred. Now to enter any specific fault, press enter key. You will be entered in the specific fault where you can check the date and time of the fault occurred.